The Krupp factory, a hallmark of industrial innovation, has a storied history that intertwines with the evolution of modern manufacturing and engineering. Founded in 1811 by Friedrich Krupp in Essen, Germany, the company initially focused on producing cast steel. However, it was under the leadership of his son, Alfred Krupp, that the firm truly flourished. Alfred revolutionized steel production in Europe by introducing the Bessemer process and developing seamless railroad carriage wheels, which became a significant product for the burgeoning railway industry. This innovation not only established Krupp as a leading steel manufacturer but also laid the groundwork for its later ventures into armaments during times of conflict. Throughout the 19th and early 20th centuries, Krupp became synonymous with military manufacturing, producing artillery and munitions that played crucial roles in various wars. The company's reputation as the "Cannon King" was cemented during the Franco-Prussian War, where its steel cannons were pivotal to Germany's military success. However, this focus on armaments also brought ethical challenges, particularly during World War II when Krupp's factories were implicated in war crimes due to their use of forced labor. In the post-war era, Krupp faced significant restructuring challenges but managed to reinvent itself. The company transitioned from a family-owned entity to a limited liability corporation in 1968 and later merged with Thyssen AG in 1999 to form ThyssenKrupp AG. This merger marked a new chapter, emphasizing diversification into automotive components, industrial machinery, and construction materials while maintaining a commitment to innovation. Today, ThyssenKrupp continues to push the boundaries of industrial technology through its focus on digitalization and sustainability. The company has invested heavily in research and development, with around €698 million allocated in 2022 alone. This investment supports initiatives aimed at achieving climate-neutral steel production by 2045 through innovative processes like hydrogen-based steelmaking. The integration of Industry 4.0 technologies within their manufacturing plants exemplifies their commitment to creating intelligent factories that leverage data analytics and automation. Moreover, ThyssenKrupp's approach includes the development of cyber-physical systems where production components communicate seamlessly with digital networks. This connectivity enhances efficiency and allows for real-time monitoring and adjustments in manufacturing processes. The concept of the digital twin is central to this strategy, enabling simulations that optimize production planning and training. The Krupp legacy is not just about steel and weaponry. It embodies a journey through industrial innovation that has shaped modern manufacturing practices. The company's historical commitment to social responsibility, providing housing and healthcare for workers, reflects an early understanding of corporate social responsibility that resonates today. As ThyssenKrupp navigates contemporary challenges such as climate change and technological disruption, it remains dedicated to pioneering solutions that address these global issues while honoring its rich heritage. The Krupp factory stands as a testament to resilience and adaptability in an ever-evolving industrial landscape, showcasing how historical foundations can inform future innovations. Through continuous improvement and strategic partnerships with research institutions and universities, ThyssenKrupp is poised to lead in shaping the future of manufacturing for generations to come.